we're gonna make some zuppa. So I have pork sausage, sizzle sizzle, chicken broth, russet potatoes, chop them up, onions, chop them up, thyme, garlic powder, onion powder, pepper, and I'll bring you back. So I'm chopping up potatoes, I don't know, about 1 inch by 1, soaking them in water, peel, chop, soak in water. I don't, do other people do it like this? Like, I use my peeler like a knife, and then the end, I don't know. Like my mom saw me do that once and was like, what are you doing? Does anybody else do it like that? Another thing, always work with a flat edge. Don't sit here and try to chop this while it's rolling all around. Like, cut it in half. Use the flat edge. I don't know if you guys can see me. Anyway, do it like that. If you don't have one of these, get one. It's a chopper from Pampered Chef. I don't know if you can get it at a different brand or whatever. I don't know. This is going to be loud. You're moving. There you go. Whoop. See? Just perfect. Choppy choppy. Now we're going to add the onions to the pork. The recipe called for 3 garlic cloves, but these are tiny, so I'm probably going to use like, I don't know, I'll do 5. So yeah, like 5. Then you grab a beer and drink it. Because what the hell. Okay, at this point, if you have stuff on the bottom, you're going to deglaze it with some chicken stock. Once you deglaze it, add the potatoes, and then add your chicken stock. Then you realize after you get everything in the Instant Pot that it's not enough to feed everybody, so you improvise. I had to put more potatoes, more chicken stock, and maybe some turkey bacon because I'll show you. Okay, that's the max line. That is where I normally fill this pot for making soup. That's not going to be enough. I almost don't want to cut this. That's so cute. Okay, so I put it in the Instant Pot. I put it on high for 3 minutes and then let it come down on its, like level, or after it goes to 3 minutes and it stands on low to keep it warm. You let that do for 10 minutes, and now I'm going to add the kale and let it boil for, so I'm going to hit the saute, let it boil for 2 to 3 minutes with the kale in it, and then I'll add the heavy whipping cream. Okay, since the potatoes are like seriously falling apart, I would do it on low for 3 minutes, not high pressure, but low pressure for 3 minutes, and let it come down or stay on the L, I don't know what that means, whatever, for probably the same 10 minutes, but potatoes are so tender, they're literally falling apart, which is not bad, but it's still got to boil with this 2 to 3 minutes, so I can't really stir it too much because my potatoes are falling apart. But I'll bring it back. Okay, this is boiling. It's been boiling. Let me check. Mm-mm. 2 minutes is not enough. I'll talk to you about how to measure. Okay, so recipe called for a cup. If you don't have a measuring cup, there are 8 ounces in a cup. There is 8 ounces in a cup. There's 240 milliliters in 8 ounces. So there's 30 milliliters in every ounce. Times that by 8, 240. This has 946 So it would be about a fourth of this. So this would be almost 4 cups in here. So if you don't have a measuring cup, you want to eyeball it, about a fourth of this is a cup. Okay, I added the heavy cream. This is the final product. It looks amazing. We're about to eat. I cut up some sourdough bread, get some pepper, and I personally am going to drizzle some of this when I put it in my bowl. All right. Thanks for watching. I hope you try this and like it. If you have any suggestions, let me know. All right.